In this video, I am going to show you how to delete or uninstall WordPress website from Cpanel. So let's see how we can do it. So to delete our WordPress website, at first we need to log into our Cpanel account. In the address bar, enter your domain name, /cpanel next to it and then click on enter. Now here you need to enter your Cpanel username and password and then click on login. And this will take us to the Cpanel dashboard. Now from here we are going to scroll down to software section. And after that we are going to select WordPress Manager by Softaculous. And here we will see all the WordPress installations that are available on our Cpanel. So next to our WordPress website there is a drop down. So just click on it. Now scroll down and then click on uninstall. Now if you want to remove directory, database and user, then you can check these checkboxes. If you want to delete your WordPress website completely from the Cpanel, then I will recommend you to check these checkboxes. After that again scroll down and click on remove installation. And in this way WordPress website will be deleted from the Cpanel account. And now if you want to install WordPress again on your domain, go back to your Cpanel dashboard, again scroll down to software section and then click on WordPress Manager by Softaculous. Now from the top just click on install. Now select your domain name and after that set up your admin account and then scroll down to the bottom and then click on install. In this way WordPress will be reinstalled on your domain. So this is how you can delete WordPress from Cpanel and reinstall again. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.